how to write headlines that will cause your prospects and your target audience to rush to buy whatever you sell. Hello and welcome to this very short video. My name is MK Akan. I am a copywriting coach and a direct response copywriter with over 10 years of experience. And in this very short video, I'm going to show you a very powerful headline formula that can help you write sales copy that can generate a lot of sales for your business. This headline formula is very, very powerful when it is used in highly competitive spaces. Okay, it is very powerful, and it's a headline formula that I learned from studying somebody called Carlton. Now, if you don't know, headlines are very important if you want to make sales when you're writing copy. And it doesn't matter if you're selling info products, e-commerce, whatever that requires selling or copy requires headlines. And there are many kinds of headlines. So what I want to share with you is something you can use if you're in a very highly competitive space. So what is it called? It is called the contradiction headline. It comes with many names, but that's what I call it, the contradiction headlines. And the idea is very simple. When you pick two ideas that are opposites or contradictions and put them together in your headline, it has the ability to grab attention. Those two ideas will bring tension in your headline and will grab attention. So I'm going to share one or two examples with you. For example, if I say man bites dog, okay, as a headline for a newspaper, that will grab attention because it is usually dog that bites man, not man biting dog. So those two ideas, man and dog, but this time around man biting dog, is a contradiction. So it's going to get attention. Then realistically, if I say half dead man makes 200 million in a year, or half dead man makes 100K in 1 week, half dead, or half dead, a man in coma, how a man in coma made 100,000 while on the hospital bed, something like that. Those two ideas, half dead man or somebody in coma making money, is a contradiction. So if you can, during your research, find ideas, contradictions in your project that you can put in your headline, it will grab attention and get people to read the copy and buy what you're selling. So how do you come about these ideas? Doing your research. When you're doing your research, for example, if you are selling anything or you want to write copy, you have to do copywriting research. It is really important. It is during your research that you're going to find different information that you can use as a contradiction headline. So first of all, you need to know that there's something called contradiction headlines, and then while doing your research, researching the project itself, the product, or the person who's selling the product, you can find useful information that will make sense to be in the headline as a contradiction headline. Let me give some examples from projects that I have written for clients. In 2014, I wrote a sales letter for somebody in the UK who was selling a copywriting, not a freelance writing, not copywriting, but freelance blogging, freelance writing course. And the sales letter was just there. So I went in there and I asked him one simple question. What was your lowest grade in school in your English? And he told me his lowest grade was E. And that's what helped me to come up with a very good headline. How a guy who made E in English now makes so amount of money with freelance writing, and would show you exactly how you do yours. So somebody who had an E is now making money as a freelance writer, and now he wants to show you his secrets. So that is a contradiction. Somebody who almost failed, now making money as a writer. Contradiction, okay? And that project really made a lot of money for him because of that headline. Another headline idea, contradiction headline that I wrote, is when I was working for somebody who is a network marketer. I was interviewing the person, trying to do something, and the person said, I have a team member that is deaf and dumb, but is making money as a network marketer. That is a big contradiction. So I used that in the headline. Deaf and dumb networker makes some amount of money using this method. Deaf and dumb making money as a networker is a big contradiction. So as you can see, I didn't just create these contradictions by myself. I found them out during the research. So this is why it's very important to research as a copywriter. Ask questions. Ask about the project. Ask the person who's selling the course. Ask about the ingredients of what you're selling. Just ask questions, do your research, and you'll find things that are contradictions, and you can now bring them up to your headline. This is very powerful. This is powerful because when people are used to seeing a particular headline, how to do this, how to do that, and something else comes with something like that, it is going to hook them and get them to read. And you know, contradiction headlines are also in the form of stories. It has stories embedded in them, and stories are powerful. So when you do that, people will be hooked and want to read your copy. And if people read your copy, you're going to make sales, especially if you have a good offer. Okay, so this is just some of the secrets, copywriting secrets you can learn from me, and I have so many other secrets that I'm going to share with you. So one thing you can do, number one, follow me. Number two, you can click go to this website and sign up, or you can follow the link in the comments to get access to all other forms of copywriting information, training, and all of that. So if this was helpful to you, let me know in the comments. If you have a question, let me know in the comments. Follow the link above, and you'll learn a lot more about how to write copy, how to sell with words, and how to generate sales in your business. Thank you. See you. Bye-bye.